Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video I will be showing you how to make this cute little clutch. So today I'm using Yarn Nut Creative and it's 100% cotton. And I'm using 4mm crochet hook for this project. So begin with the slip knot. And work 38 chains. So here I made 38 chains and it measures 20 centimeters. If you want to make it bigger, you can increase chains. So from here I'm going to work chain 1. Now work the first single crochet into the second chain from the hook. Now work another single crochet into the next chain space and just continue same as like this, work single crochets in each space to the end. So here I made 38 single crochets. Now we're going to increase into this last space. So we're going to work 3 single crochets into the same space. So now from here we're going to work into the opposite side. So insert the hook from the next chain space and work a single crochet. Now work another single crochet into the next space and just continue all over to the end. So here we reach the last chain. So into this space work 2 single crochets. So here we completed our first row. From here we're going to continue work the second row. So to start the second row, insert the hook from the first single crochet and grab the yarn and make a single crochet. No need to join with a slip knot, just make a single crochet. Now continue work another single crochet into the next chain space. Remember in this row we are not going to increase, so just continue work 1 single crochet in each stitch. So here we reach to the corner of this side. Just make single crochets without any increases. So look at this guys, because we didn't increase in the second row, that's why it's bending itself. This is what we need. So just continue working single crochet without increasing all over to the end. So here we reached the last single crochet in this row. Now you have to skip into the third row. Insert hook from the first single crochet and make a single crochet. From there, continue work single crochets all over to the end of this row. Remember to not increase any stitches. Just continue 1 single crochet in each chain space and let's meet at the end. Now here we reach to the end of this row. Now let's skip into the fourth one. So before that we have to make a single crochet into the very first single crochet and continue work the fourth row. From here you all have to do is just continue this pattern till your length comes. So let's meet at the end. So here I completed the pocket and I made 28 rows, and if you see there I joined my second ball of yarn. So here I divided into two pieces. In each side we have 39 stitches. So if you see the measurements, we have 7.5 inches and 5 inches long. Now from here we're going to work the flap part, so I'm not going to complete that row. From here I'm going to turn. For that, work a chain 1 and turn your work. Now work a single crochet into the very first chain space here. And continue work one single crochet in each chain space. So here we reach to the stitch marker. Now chain 1 and turn your work. From here work a single crochet into the very first chain space. And just continue work single crochet in each stitch. Continue work 6 more rows and let's meet at the end. So here I completed my single crochet rows. So total we have 8 rows. Now chain 1 and cut off the yarn. So we completed our body part. Now let's make the decorative circles. For that I'm taking beige color yarn and start with a slip knot. Now work chain 4. Make a ring with a slip stitch into the very first chain. Now from here work chain 3. This chain 3 counting as our first double crochet, and work 11 more double crochets into this same ring. So here I completed 11 double crochets. With that chain 3 we have total 12 double crochets. Now join this row with a slip stitch. Insert the hook from the third chain and make a slip stitch. Let's move to the second row. Make chain 3 and work a double crochet into the same space that started from. Now work 2 double crochets into the next chain space here. Again work 2 more double crochets into the next space and just continue work 2 double crochets in each space. So this is the last chain. Work 2 double crochets into that space, and in this row total we have 24 double crochets. Now make a slip stitch into the third chain from that chain 3. So here we done our second row. Now let's make the third row and the last row. For that, work chain 3 and make a double crochet into the same space that we started from. So here into the next one, we're going to work 1 double crochet. Now work 2 double crochets into the next chain space. Again work 1 double crochet into the next one. Now work 2 double crochets into the next chain space and just continue work same as this pattern, like 2 double crochets into the one chain space, and into the next one work 1 double crochet and again work 2 double crochets into the next space. So here the last chain. For this I'm going to work 1 double crochet. Now join the round with a slip stitch into the third chain from first chain 3. So here I done my circle and now chain 1 and cut off the yarn. So same like this, we need 3 more circles. So here I have 4 circles and we have to join all together. I'm gonna stitch all together, so you need a needle and a yarn and grab 2 circles. All you have to stitch only this space, so insert the needle from behind and stitch like this. So here I joined the circles all together. Now I'm going to join this into the flap. Just follow the same method, stitch over there. So here we done our cute little clutch. Hope you can do it. And if you want, you can add some tassels on the corner. I think you will love this video. If you like, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon with another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.